Guys, I am no means any sort of beauty guru. This is not a beauty channel. This is a photo channel and Jenny channel. So please, if you're here for that, just look away. Oh, hey, hi, hello, I'm Jenny, and today I thought that I would let you guys inside, not really a get ready with me, because I don't really know what getting ready for me means, but more of a transformation. It is 2019, we are a week into spring. I'm really feeling like the buds on the trees starting, the buds on my trees starting, and I have recently gotten into a much different place in life, and I wanted to give myself a little rewarding transformation. We're gonna call it rewarding, okay? To let you guys know what's really, let's see, last year was a crazy year for me. I felt like I really was just doing a lot of regression, but I recently looked back and saw that I did a lot of growing and a lot of really great things that I never thought that I would have done in 2018. I did so much growing in 2018 as not only a creative, but as a woman too. This includes, but is not limited to, photographing at Boston Calling and seeing bands like Paramore, LaKaylee 47, Queens of the Stone Age, Royal Blood. I also got 2 social media clients that I loved creating content for every week during the summer. I got to do headshots for MIT Boston. I got to go to an island even though it rained the whole time. There was so much growing for me that I might as well just be a farmer at this point, but I'm not. So 2019 rolled around. I have a new job that has taken up a lot of my time, a lot of my eating habits and health as well, which has resulted in some very dry, damaged hair. And this isn't just going to be like, ooh, let's talk about my hair. I promise there is more to that. This is really going to be me getting myself into a little bit happier looking, happier feeling place in life. I feel so good when I wash my face. Like, I always felt silly when people were like, self-care is washing your face. And I was like, I'm not gonna like wash my face and be like, oh yeah, I'm so much happier. Ooh, wash that depression away. But on a serious note, it's kind of like that. All right, freshly showered, leotarded up. First step, let's clean my glasses because they dirty. Probably would have way better eyesight if I just clean my glasses on a regular basis. I think this is a look. I'll be using some of the Smack Lux line. This is their hydrating cleansing oil, and I'll follow it up with some of their toning spritzer. I always say that backwards. It is hydrating toner spritz, not hydrating toning spritzer. Whatever. What do we think, guys? Did I like do it? Did I do that thing that people do when they like wash their face? Did I wash it? Now I have to see if I can succeed at putting this spritzer on my face and not in my hair, which is literally what always happens to me. I think this is how it's supposed to be done. Ready? Be proud of me, guys. Mom, I hope you're watching. I literally missed both times. Okay, that's my face. Better. Literally, when I do like successful body and beauty care things correctly, I'm like, hooray, I am a girl. High Pro Pack, Moroccan Mend Argan Oil. Let's be real, guys. It's a deep repair conditioner thingy that I need because my hair is dry, brittle, and needs to be replenished, revived, and it's pretty lifeless. So that basically covers everything on this packet. Okay. That was kind of messy. I probably should have like put this on something that wasn't my hand because I kind of like need my hand. Oh, Jenny. Ah, man, this is not how this is supposed to go. I already know it. I guess I don't really need to braid my hair, and I don't know if braiding my hair is exactly the way that I should be doing this is probably gonna make this uneven. Oh, by the way, guys, we're cutting my hair. I could have done something like gone and gotten my hair cut by a professional, but this is my only day off this week, and I wanted to create something and get my house cleaned and not go to a hairstylist. I don't think I should have braided it. Guys. Scissors, check. Okay, I did that. I did that. And it's not a lot, but it feels like a lot and my heart's pounding. Whatever, I needed it, my hair needed it. Now is it straight? No, probably not at all. Let's go fix this in a real mirror and I will be right back. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, that's all of it. It's probably not even, but that's okay. Spring has sprung. All right, now let's get into an outfit, get downstairs, get my stuff set up, and yeah. All right, guys, so we are in my living room, which is also my studio, as well as like 3 other rooms in my house are also my studio sometimes. But my case air is updating. If you guys don't use tether tools, it's been one of the greatest additions to my life, so shout out to that. But we just have a basic white backdrop set up. I got a chair for me to sit on. We've got 120 seconds left. And now we wait. All right, guys, so I now have my case air all set up. As you can see, this is what my camera is seeing right now. Hi, camera. And I'm just going to be using my phone to control my camera. I'm looking very yellow right now because I have the modeling light on my strobe on. I'm definitely like digging my hair and feeling this, so. Oh, I wanted to switch out my glasses really quick. All right, glasses changed. Sit my bum down and start posing, start snapping. Keep adjusting my light. As you guys can tell, sometimes it can be a little frustrating playing photographer, model, assistant, stylist, all of the above by one person. However, I enjoy it, and I love being creative. There's a lot of just kind of looking at my phone screen to see what my camera is seeing, adjusting my posing, adjusting the angle of the light, taking a photo, and then adjusting from what I see. But overall, it was a pretty easy shoot. After I got done on this backdrop, I did go over to the corner of my living room to just give us a little bonus. Drop them into Lightroom, and here we are. A little bit of the full shoot. And you guys see that we did end up with that nice little corner living room shot at the end there. I love the plants, but I do really love the simplicity of this kind of fade to gray, monochromatic look that we have going on here. Decided that I like this photo a little bit better than the first one we started working with. Love those real rich, deep black colors. I'm just gonna go in and do some of the spot removal I know can be done in Lightroom. Any sort of retouching I prefer to do in Photoshop when I have the chance. I just find that the ability of Photoshop when it comes to retouching is much more precise than with Lightroom. However, using this Lightroom CC Classic version has been a godsend and a game changer, if I must say. Just going in to darken some of those lighter spots and just kind of make myself pop a little bit more. Now let's take a look at that little living room setup that I did after the backdrop. I didn't have a time lapse from that part of the studio session just because my camera died. Of course it did. We're gonna go in and just fix some of the little blown out spots, play with those shadow colors. This is something that I recently kind of added to my workflow that I enjoy, just like that little pop and attitude that it adds. This photo, I was pretty pleased with the way that it looked right out of camera. I did just want to give it some little pop off of the page, if you will. Alright, now we have brought it into Photoshop. Going to clone out some of these flyaways. Going with my little healing brush. And continue to just work those flyaways right out of my hair. Pretend like I don't have a big old rat's nest hanging out up there. Just finishing cleaning up some more of these flyaways. I really do enjoy working in Photoshop. Do let me know down in the comments below what other kind of videos you would like to see coming from me. I know that there hasn't been much for you guys to go off of, and this is only the second video that I have released on my second channel here with Jenny Obscura. But yeah, I'm super curious as to what kind of photo challenges or other kinds of videos, tutorials, vlogs, behind the scenes, anything like that that you guys would want to see. I'm always very interested. And voila, now I'm just gonna fix this little wrinkle in time, we'll call it. No, little wrinkle in my backdrop. I love seamless paper, but you can see every flaw. Though it's better than a wrinkly sheet, I'll tell you that. That is a wrap on this little kind of transformation, haircut, and photo shoot walkthrough video. I don't really know what to call this, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, Jenny, as I walked through the process of photographing myself, editing myself, and talking to myself. If you haven't had a chance yet to do so, please do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below like we just talked about, and make sure you subscribe to me so you can see more